Hello students, welcome to Reddy's classes and I'm Mr. Reddy. I'm very happy to hear that yesterday ICSE students have got the 10th standard results and you got wonderful and thunderbolt like results that majority have got 90 plus also, and it was really in such pandemic times knowing about such a great result from students really inspired us, right? Now what next? Today onwards officially I can say that you have entered the 11th standard classes of your college life, right? So some students prefer to take biology and some students prefer to take engineering, sciences, maths groups. But what next, right? That means I want to say directly that you have not started your college life, you started your goal, your dream goal of your life, right? Then what might be your goal? Biology students prefer to take NEET, right? And math students prefer to take JEE and CET by some students, common entrance test, right? But how to crack your goals? There should be some system, an approach and a systematic plan towards your goal, right? That's what in other classes also we've been telling, that focus yourself guys, focus on your goal, focus on your weaknesses and strengths. But how to focus? I just ask you two good questions, how to reach my goal. That's two questions. What we do and how we do. That's all. Your goal is achieved. You should know what I am going to do from today onwards in 11th standard and how I am going to do, right? Guys, I tell you that majority NEET students also, I would like to say that let's keep these math students apart because that's the biology class, right? I'm going to show you just digital presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, that how we are going to do that. But I would like to say one thing. A doctor is more successful with big medicines? No. A doctor is more inspired by the trust a patient keeps on him. If doctor keeps more trust, the patients keep more trust on the doctors and the doctors become more successful. In the same way, the more trust you keep on us teachers, we are inspired and we are your NEET doctors guys. So please pay attention from day one because every day is day one for your NEET goal, right? I'm going to take you to a digital presentation now, right? Let's go. So students, let's go to the digital presentation of some of the comparative study of the biological syllabus for NEET especially, right? I reiterate that we are not preparing for 11th standard or 12th standard just to pass your examinations. You are going to crack NEET. So we have started as a very first step and milestone of your NEET journey for 2 years, right? Now, before this, I also would like to ask you a question that why do you select or why a student selects biology, right? Because most of the doctors, if we observe, or most of the students who take biology, it clearly says that you are interested to care about others. So this is a basic feature that we generally find in biology students who sit in a class in front of us. We find them soft, sensitive, sober and very careful about others. So this is a very prime character that you need to possess, right, to pass the NEET examination, right? Because you like people trusting you and you want to diagnose the people's diseases and you want to help them. So a doctor is that person who gives up his life, entire life. He doesn't live like a teacher or an engineer or a businessman. His duty is to save others' lives. So a doctor is such person who gives up his life to save our lives. So you are that, I hope so in future, right? Now for all this, it's a big drama I'm going to speak. Maybe it looks very dramatic when I say, but I would like to say only one thing. Guys, there is only one word on this earth. Do or do not, but never say let's try. So you're going to do it, right? Then now, before that, I would like to say a comparative study of state board biology. Many students have a false notion and a wrong perception that the CBSE students can easily crack NEET just like that. But it's a wrong perception, guys, because I say in my experience or from the previous 2 years of NEET results I have seen, along with CBSE students, number of state board students of respective states also bagged a lot of NEET seats and ranks, right? But how, sir? Remember, a state board biology syllabus of 11th and 12th standards are not lesser than any state board syllabus, including CBSE, NCERT and ICSE. Right? So state boards have a false notion that CBSE have a lot of advantage or ICSE have a lot of advantage because those guys have in-depth syllabus. That's wrong. The new syllabus of 11th and 12th of Maharashtra State Board and other state boards as well are not lesser than any state board or national board syllabi. Right? Now, if you have a comparative study, you should have an idea what are you studying in the life, in the processes. Are we going to study about 8.7 million species on this planet? No. We are going to focus on in 11th standard living world, right? You're going to study about the biodiversity, right? And you're going to study about the systematics of living organisms. You're going to study about the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, right? And cell structure and organization, biomolecules, cell division, plant tissues and anatomy, morphology of flowering plants and animal tissues, and next one study of animal type, that's cockroach, very important chapter, right? Do or die chapter. Then photosynthesis, respiration and energy transfer, right? A little bit chemical in processes, all these things, and in human nutrition, and you come across the excretion and osmoregulation and skeleton and movement, right? So these are the, please pay attention what you are studying in 11th standard. Please have a totality. In total, you should have an idea. If anybody asks you, what are you studying in biology in 11th standard? So you should have. This is the processes. You should always, they should be in your mind. Do or do not, but don't say, we're going to try it, right? Next, coming to 12th standard syllabus, guys. In 12th standard biology, you're going to study, see the sequence, from later you see entire morphology and anatomical study is given here. But once you come to 12th standard, these are all the processes which goes on. These are the living processes and the systems that goes on in us and animals and plants as well. Next, in the 12th standard, reproduction in lower and higher plants, reproduction in lower and higher animals, inheritance and variation, molecular basis of inheritance, origin and evolution of life, plant-water relation, plant growth and mineral nutrition, and respiration and circulation, control and coordination, human health and diseases, enhancement of food production, biotechnology, organisms and populations, ecosystem and energy flow, and biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. Guys, these are not the headings that you have to listen less. You should have in total a totem, right? You should have a modus operandi, a plan how you are going to study. So you should always be attached with these topics, the general or the basic concepts of biology, guys, right? So don't think that you go in that kind of drama that you till 10th standard, how you by heart chapter by chapter without any establishing any relationship between these chapters. If you establish relationship between these chapters, automatically you can establish relationship with the 12th standard syllabus, right? Now, is the same syllabus present in other boards as well, right? Let's go to one more slide where you can see that syllabus with the NCERT syllabus. Guys, this is a comparative study of NCERT syllabus for 11th and 12th standards in comparison with your 11th and 12th standard of Maharashtra State Board and other boards as well. Sir, why did I select this NCERT especially? I am telling you guys, NCERT syllabus is just like a Bhagavad Gita or just like a Bible, just like a Quran for NEET aspirants. I tell you because 60 to 70% questions can be covered in NEET examination if you study NCERT syllabus along with your state board syllabus. Now $1 million question, sir, how can we read this? How can we? Because we need to complete the 11th and 12th of Maharashtra State Board and other boards as well, who are the students, respective boards. That's what I say. Reference. NCERT books are best reference books, students. So I advise you, the Reddy's classes, our Reddy's class advise you, please collect NCERT books as well and you please go through. But before that, I would like to give comparative study and you will definitely agree with me that how easy it is. You remember the 11th standard biology chapters compared with this diversity in living world. What is the first chapter? Living world, right? And you also see the biodiversity in 11th standard. Structural organization in animals and plants, that is the processes, right? Physical processes in plants and animals as well. Cell structure and function, we have seen that, right? Plant physiology, that is morphology and anatomical study, and human physiology as well is seen. But then what happened? You see 10 to 12 chapters in 11th standard in your state board, and that is all clustered and cloistered and it is packed in it. In this you find sections, right? Chapters and sub-chapters you find in the NCERT syllabus. But syllabus is same, but you find a little bit depth, right? Now coming to 12th standard biology, you find reproduction. You remember the 12th reproduction, the 12th standard biology syllabus, we just try to recollect. It says reproduction in plants, reproduction in animals, both are put in one. Next, inheritance, genetics and heredity, genetics and evolution, biology and human welfare, right? Biotechnology and its applications, 6th and 7th lessons biotechnology in your 12th standard, then ecology and environment, right? Ecosystem, ecology, balancing of life along with human beings, right? And maintaining the environment to sustain their life. So you read all this, finally you come, if you maintain ecological balance, you can sustain in this environment along with all plants and animals, right? So overall, it's about you, it's about other animals, it's about the plants, and it's about sustaining the life. So medicine, if you pass NEET and if you select, the moment today itself you have selected NEET, right? So today onwards, you have to move with one motto, I am here to sustain the life of others on this planet. That's the best way, right? Now, I'm not going to compare all the state boards, but just see that NCERT books are the best reference books, guys, and you can collect them and start referring. Once the lesson is completed in 11th standard, please prepare your 11th standard state board syllabus, and the same day you prepare the same related lesson or corresponding chapter in the 11th standard of NCERT to make your NEET an easy goal, right? Now, I am going to show lots of chapters we have done. Sir, what are the do or die chapters, sir? Right? I am going to show what are the compulsory chapters you have to focus more from the day one itself, right? Let's go. Guys, do or die chapters for NEET biology. So guys, just the word itself says do or die, guys. I said do or do not, but never say I am going to try NEET, right? So these chapters are compulsory, you cannot escape them. Diversity in living world, cell structure and function, structural organization in animals and plants, plant physiology, human physiology, reproduction, genetics and evolution, biotechnology and its applications, biology and human welfare, ecology and environment, right? See this. Percentage of the questions that come from this chapter, living world, 11th standard, first chapter, NCERT, first chapter. You remember, you recollect? 14% of weightage for this. And this lesson, cell structure and function, carries 5% weightage, and structural organization in animals and plants carry 9% weightage of the total marks, and plant physiology carries 6% of weightage. Human physiology, guys, it carries 20%, right? Human physiology. Now, reproduction chapter, first chapter in 12th standard biology and first chapter in NCERT syllabus. See the great comparison, right? And next comes, so guys, we see this reproduction, that is first chapter in NCERT as well, so 12th standard and 12th standard of your state board as well, right? And now that carries 9% of weightage, and genetics and evolution carries 18%. But last but not least, that's biotechnology and its applications, lowest percentage, but yes, it matters. Even 1 mark matters in it, right? And biology and human welfare, 4%, and ecology and environment. So start preparing from this number 1, number 2 chapter, right? And the next, number 3, number 4, right? top 3 chapters and top 4 chapters, and if you can order like that, and you can prepare in an order. Now, what do you mean by do or die chapters, sir? What about other chapters? I said, why do we call these as do or die chapters? Because majority, the weightage, if you see this weightage, well, somewhere around 2 to 3% are missing. But majority chapters, if you prepare NCERT syllabus, then along with your 12th standard, 11th standard of your biology, you can answer questions, because majority questions come from these chapters only. Right? Now, I'll give an astounding news to you now. Why you took biology, you're going to feel so happy now. Because some students just are fed up with mathematics, so they come to biology. Right? Some students, they don't like maths at all, they can't do like me. Right? And some students, but some students literally, they take biology with passion. Right? They have a connected emotion to biology right from 7th, 8th and 9th standards. Right? I know that because I have seen some students in school levels that they have an abundant admiration towards biology. Right? Now, let's go to the next slide, which really tells you the breakdown of the marks in NEET, right? Guys, here comes the breakdown of your NEET score of National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, right? Will comprise a total number of 180 questions, a total score of 720 marks, right? With you need to qualify with at least 180. That's a qualifying mark, right? If you get 180, you are passed, but you are not selected with a rank. Just keep it in your mind, right? Now it starts, your qualification starts from 180 onwards. Right now you come to this. Physics, your 11th standard physics, 12th standard physics comprises 45 questions, and the total marks for physics are 180 only out of 720 in NEET examination. In coming to chemistry, the first year chemistry, that is 11th standard chemistry and 12th standard chemistry, be of any board, be it NCERT, be it of state board, or be it for CBSE or ICSE, you are going to face 45 questions carrying 180 marks. Together, these two, 360. Now comes the most surprising and happy news for biology students. I say that biology carries 90 questions with 360 marks, guys. 360 out of 720. That's all you're done. But who can say, now sir, I can't pass NEET? Because biology, if you have taken biology, it shows that you have a lot of interest, right? Because you chose today biology because you like it, you love it. So you got 360, the minimum of 300 you can score, guys. It's not a big task. It's not a mammoth task, right? It's before you, right? Now, coming to this, why I laid stress. Now you should have understood that. Do or die chapters, comparing your 11th standard, 12th standard syllabus with NCERT. Why Reddy's classes asking you to carry on NCERT syllabus books along with your state books of your respective boards and prepare together and refer the NCERT books, right? Because if you want the big bonanza, 360 marks, then please carry NCERT preparation along with your 11th and 12th simultaneously. Your job starts today, right? Now, 90 questions, 45 from zoology and 45 from botany. You don't have separate papers because in other boards, in other state boards, biology is divided into two papers, botany and zoology. But in 11th standard, in fact, you are so lucky because if they are divided into two, then it lays some kind of stress on your mind. I don't understand that. Then in biology, those animal kingdom and plant kingdom are together put in one book and it's easy. So you can relate them and study, right? If you have two books, you cannot relate. But when you study about viruses, for example, where do viruses present? It's present in animals. Is it there in plants? Yes, it's there in viruses. I want to study combined study of viruses, right? So what do? It's a best chance for 7 state board students. You will have a comprehensive study in one book about botany and zoology. But of course, plant kingdom se aapko aayega 45 questions and for animal kingdom you get 45 questions. Totally 90 questions carrying 360 marks. Guys, I reiterate, it's 360 marks. Your NEET is done. You're going to crack it. Now, the big problem is, I say that physics for biology students. Math students, just they play with physics because they are good with maths and they do derivations, problem sets, just like that. They play. It's a fun for them. But majority biology students, why they could not crack NEET is, we could not derive physics. You come low, you stoop down when you see physics. When you look at the problems of physics, you feel that it is mathematics, but it's not so, right? Please understand, you need to have a good grip. In other lectures of our physics also, our teachers might have explained you how important physics is, because someone said, all the teachers say that physics is a conceptual subject. So you need to have a grip on the concept. If I'm talking about something, right, I need to understand, yes, I'm learning about this chapter. You have to stick to basics. Basics chapter. So while going into the chapter, first learn the definition. If always definition is in your mind, every definition of every chapter is just like a mantra. That's all, right? Now, in totality, I would like to say that we talked about your aim, your goal, and what you're going to start today. And we also talked about, we had a comparative study of 11th standard biology and 12th standard biology. We compared state board biology syllabus with the 11th and 12th standard of NCERT. We came to know about the importance of NCERT syllabus books of biology for NEET aspirants as well, right? And we also laid stress on the do or die chapters, right? And now I also want to inform you that we informed you that why biology is more important for you to crack NEET than physics and chemistry, because it carries a basket full of very attractive bonanza, 360 marks. I repeat, 360 is not a joke, right? So you don't say, I'm going to try NEET. Say that do or do not, right? Just come in or get out, right? Now with this, I'm going to have closed this NEET introductory and comparative study lecture. And please, whenever you want to have an idea, show this to your friends, right? Reddy's classes always be there to support you. And one more thing, that we are on Facebook and we have our own app. All the students, please download our app, Reddy's Classes. This is the app. You can find it on Google Play Store. Please download it, and I get the batch request. I add you in the batch, and we are going to start our physics and chemistry and biology and language. Of course, language is chapters also. And for JEE students, maths, we are going to start all along with NEET preparation classes. We are going to start an intensive coaching for NEET aspirants as well. So please subscribe. We are also on YouTube. We are on Facebook. We are on Instagram. Right? We are everywhere, guys. Just watch us and follow us. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Reddy's Classes, and you will get posted about our new videos. But see, watch all our videos from Reddy's Classes app so that it saves your data. If you just watch our video from YouTube channel, not only us, others videos also, your data is get killed. So if you watch from our app, Reddy's Classes, you need just 10 or 20 MB, just because we are on the cloud computing, right? So just with this, I'm going to close this. But one more thing I'm going to say. You have started not your 11th standard, guys. You have started your NEET classes from today onwards, because anybody can pass, right? My watchman who listens to my classes, and anyone who every day comes, even a postman who listens to my classes, can easily pass biology. So what's the big deal with you? If you crack NEET, right, after getting a lot of information, then you are a NEET aspirant. Just dream, we are there, and give us inspiration. We are your doctors for 2 years. and then after that 100 years you are our doctors, right? And from here I wish you all the best, and please stay connected to our videos every day, and please download our app Reddy's Classes and YouTube also, right? And here ends.